Here's a quick video highlighting Preno's Channel Manager. Preno's Channel Manager has everything you need to control all of your online channels, including direct bookings. As you can see, there are a few different sites I advertise on. I have my own website. I also advertise on Airbnb and Booking.com. I also have a honeymoon package for direct bookings. I can have different rates for each of these and have them linked to make sure that my website is the cheapest place to book. So I've set it up so that Airbnb is a derived rate of $20 more, Booking.com is 15% more, and my honeymoon package is $50 more. Now, you can set up dollar or percentage amounts higher or lower to have these derived rates. We also have quite a few different edits that you can make. You can edit a rate amount over one day or a whole range of days. For example, I could change my rate over the summer season for specific days of the week, such as Monday to Thursday. I also have the ability to close off my availability. For example, I don't want to be working at set parts of the year, so I can make it so that no one can book. I can also set up rules for minimum nights, close to arrival, close to departure, as well as extra guest rates. This is what it looks like in Preno. I have a 3-night minimum over the Christmas period, as you can see here. I also have a close to arrival rule on Christmas Day because I don't want anyone arriving on Christmas Day. I want to give my team the day off. Guests can stay right through and they can also leave on Christmas Day. However, no one new can arrive on Christmas Day just because I want to have my reception closed. Now, with our rate manager, you can choose who has access and you can also make changes for individual days. For example, if I want to change my rate on Christmas Eve because I have 2 rooms left, I can just make an amendment, save and update Preno, and then that will push out to all of my online channels along with the derived rates. So I've changed my website to 170, Airbnb updates to 190, Booking.com updates to 195, and so on. Now, we also have a rates history at the bottom here, so you can see a full audit trail of all of the changes that have been made and who they were made by. You can also limit access with user permissions, so only certain people at the property can make these changes. Now, this is just a snapshot of what we can do, but our channel manager makes things really easy to manage the property and help you optimize your revenue.